You've heard it before, right? That plant-based athletes can't keep up with their meat-eating counterparts. Well, let's shatter that myth today. Now let's get something straight. This isn't about pitting one way of eating against another. It's about challenging misconceptions. You know, those age-old ideas that athletes need meat to maintain their strength and endurance. But here's a new player on the field, the plant-based athlete. These are individuals who fuel their bodies with fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes, and still manage to perform at the top of their game. Their secret? A well-balanced diet, meticulous meal planning, and a whole lot of discipline. So, it's time we change the narrative. Plant-based diets aren't just about weight loss or environmental sustainability. They're also about powering through intense workouts and smashing personal records. So, brace yourself as we dive into the day in the life of a plant-based athlete. Spoiler alert, it's not all about salads. Every great day starts with a great breakfast, and our plant-based athlete is no different. Picture the scene, a vibrant, energy-filled morning meal waiting to kickstart the day. It's not just about filling up the stomach, it's about nourishing the body with the right fuel. The athlete's breakfast plate is a rainbow of nutritious foods. It's a beautiful medley of plant-based protein sources like tofu scramble or chickpea omelet, teamed up with a hearty serving of whole grains. Think quinoa porridge, oatmeal, or perhaps a slice of whole grain bread. And let's not forget the sweet, juicy fruits, a burst of natural sugars to awaken the senses and provide essential vitamins and antioxidants. This is more than just a meal. It's a source of power, energy, and endurance. The right balance of protein, carbs, and healthy fats to keep our athlete going strong. That's a power-packed start to the day. Wouldn't you agree? Now let's get moving. It's time to sweat it out. Our plant-based athlete is no stranger to the grind of a rigorous workout routine. But what's the secret behind their strength and endurance? It's not magic, it's plants. You see, contrary to popular belief, a plant-based diet can provide all the necessary nutrients for a strenuous workout. Let's break it down. A typical workout routine for our athlete includes a mix of strength training, cardiovascular exercises, and flexibility training. And each of these exercise types requires different nutrients, all of which are abundantly available in a plant-based diet. For strength training, our athlete needs proteins, the building blocks of muscles. And guess what? Plants like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu are packed full of proteins. For cardiovascular workouts, they need carbohydrates for energy. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables provide plenty of that. And for flexibility, they need a variety of vitamins and minerals, which are plentiful in colorful fruits and vegetables. Beyond these, a plant-based diet offers a wealth of antioxidants that aid in recovery and reducing inflammation, making it an excellent choice for an active lifestyle. It's not just about what our athlete does in the gym, it's also about what they put on their plate. And that, my friends, is how our plant-based athlete stays fit and strong. Workouts are intense, so it's essential to refuel the body. And what better way to do that than with a plant-based meal? Let's dive into what our plant-based athlete eats after a good sweat session. Picture this, a vibrant, colorful bowl filled to the brim with an array of fresh and cooked veggies, grains, and a dollop of plant-based protein. Doesn't that sound tantalizing? But this isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's a powerhouse of nutrients, perfect for recovery. See, after a workout, the body needs carbohydrates to replenish glycogen stores in the muscles and liver. And our bowl, it's got that covered. We're talking about whole grains like quinoa or brown rice. These complex carbs are not only tasty, but also packed with fiber that keeps you feeling fuller for longer. And let's not forget about protein, the building block of muscles. It's crucial for repairing and rebuilding muscles post-workout. Here, we're getting our protein from plant-based sources like lentils, chickpeas, or tofu. These protein-rich foods are also a great source of iron and zinc, essential minerals for athletes. Now, the beauty of this post-workout meal is that it's infinitely customizable. You can switch up the veggies, the grains, the protein based on your taste, your nutritional needs, or even what's in season. So, you see, plant-based foods can indeed provide all the nutrition an athlete needs. Living as a plant-based athlete isn't just about the diet and the workouts. It's about embracing a lifestyle that in its entirety fuels your body, mind, and spirit. Let's delve deeper into some of these aspects. Firstly, hydration is key. Drinking water is like oiling a machine. It lubricates your joints, aids digestion, and keeps your skin glowing. But did you know that eating plant-based can help with hydration? Yes, fruits and vegetables are packed with water and can contribute to your daily intake. So next time you bite into that juicy apple or sip on a vegetable smoothie, remember you're not just eating, you're hydrating. Secondly, let's talk about sleep. Quality sleep is the unsung hero of a high-performance lifestyle. It's during these quiet hours that your body recovers, repairs, and rebuilds. A well-balanced plant-based diet, rich in nutrients like magnesium and tryptophan, can promote better sleep. So those leafy greens and whole grains aren't just fueling your workouts, they're also preparing your body for a restful night. Now, on to mental well-being. The mind is a powerful tool, and just like the body, it needs the right fuel to function at its best. A plant-based diet, abundant in omega-3 fatty acids found in foods like chia seeds and flax seeds, can support brain health. It's not just about physical fitness, it's about mental fitness too. Lastly, let's not forget that a plant-based lifestyle is also about respecting our planet. By choosing plant-based, you're reducing your carbon footprint, conserving water, and preserving habitats. So you're not just a plant-based athlete, you're also an environmental champion. So, you see, being a plant-based athlete is about more than just what's on your plate or how many reps you can do. It's a holistic approach to living that nourishes the body, soothes the mind, and respects the earth. Now that you've seen a day in the life of a plant-based athlete, are you ready to give it a try? So, there you have it. A plant-based diet doesn't mean sacrificing strength or performance. Why not venture into this green journey and see how it can transform your fitness game? There's a world of resources out there waiting to guide you. From mouth-watering plant-based recipes to invigorating workouts, the tools are all within your reach. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about making better choices for your health and for the planet. So why not give it a shot? You might just surprise yourself. If this video was of any value to you, remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe for all the latest. If you're interested in learning more about general health and wellness, I have included links in the description box and pinned comment below to all the products that will help you on your journey. Until next time, this is Wellness Wins Wonders, signing out.